determine the current through each of the resistor, and this is the resistor. So according to Ohm's law, V is equal to I total R total. That is according to Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. Then what is our V? Our V is equal to 12 volts. Our I is unknown, so we don't know the total current because it is the total current that will enter here and come here and split into two. Okay, so R is equal to 4 plus these two resistances are in parallel. So I'll say 6 times 3 divided by 6 plus 3. R equivalent or R total is equal to 4 plus what? 18 divided by 9. 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6 ohm. So our total resistance is 6 ohm. Then what do we do to get the current? So get our total current. V for current, V is equal to IR, right? 12 is equal to I times what? We've obtained our resistance, which is 6, right? So I, therefore, is equal to 12 divided by 6, which is 2 ampere. 2 ampere. So the current that enters 4 ohm resistor is 2 ampere. Then the same current will come to this point and split into two. One will enter here and the other will enter here. I want us to apply some certain principle. You see, the relationship between current and what? And resistance is inverse proportion, meaning that the smaller the resistance, the higher the current, while the higher the resistance, the smaller the current. So the ratio of current that will enter, because 3 and 6 are similar in terms of ratio. So therefore, the ratio of current that will enter 3 and that of 6 is 2:1. 2:1. Are you getting me? So the two currents will split in this ratio. That is, for IR3, the current that will enter I3 is equal to, which is 2. The higher the current, the smaller the resistance. 2 all over 2 plus 1, which is 3. 3 times what? Times the total current, which is 2. So I3 is equal to 4 over 3 ampere, right? So I6 is equal to 1 all over 3 times what? 2, which is 2 over 3 ampere. Then what is I4? Our I4 is the total amount of current, which is 2 ampere. That does it. I'll see you in our next class.